This helicopter drops a big car. This is what happens when space junk falls back into the Earth's atmosphere.
Wow!
Look, I've never seen shooting stars, Andy. Never seen a shooting star in my life. I need you to text me your video because it's better than mine, I bet. Shooting stars. Ready?
That's amazing.
Andy, can I get out?
Yeah.
These are flames coming out of a Boeing 757 engine and it rejects takeoff. Before we head to the next clip, make sure to like and subscribe, it will be greatly appreciated. This is a Boeing 52 performing a low pass. And this is what it looks like from inside the plane when the seaplane can't take off and crashes into trees.